Okay, in 7 through 10, we are going to go from log back to exponential. Actually, no, we're going to go the other way. We're going to go from exponential back to log. So here we have exponential, so this is going to be log. And remember, we're going to go base, answer, power. So your base is 9, your answer is 81, equals your power, which is 2. Okay. Number 8, log your base, which is your subscript, which is 2, your answer, which is 512, equals your power, which is 9. Number 9, log your base is 4, your answer is 1 over 64, and your power is -3. Remember, this is base, answer, power. And on number 10, this is log, your base is 6, your answer is 6, equals your power, which is 1. Okay? So now, again, it's very important that you understand that a log equals a power. A log equals a power. That's what a log is. A log's equal to a power. A log is equal to a power. Okay? Base, answer, power. So what you can do when you're looking at a log here is you can say 9 to what power gets you 81? Oh, that's the second power. 2 to what power gets you 512? Oh, that's the 9th power. 4 to what power gets you 1 over 64? Oh, that's -1/3. 6 to what power gets you 6? It's 1. So let's see if we can't come up with some answers to these. So we want to know what this is equal to. So 2 to what power gets you 16? Well, if we let this equal x, we could switch forms, and you could BAP it. So your base is 2 to the power of x equals 16. So 2 to what power gets you 16? Or we start multiplying by 2's. We got 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. So it looks like we have a total of 4 2's. So this is 2 to the 4th equals 16. So that means that x here is equal to 4, or your log was equal to 4. Okay? So your answer here is 4. So let's see if we can do this one without doing the work. So 2 to what power gets you 1 over 16? Well, if we ignore the 1 for a second, 2 to what power gets you 16? Well, we know that's 4. Well, now how do you get the 16 in the denominator? Oh, that's the negative power. So your answer here equals -4. On 13, 2 to what power gets you 8? Well, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, so that looks like we need 3. So 2 to the 3rd power gets you 8. Well, if 2 to the 3rd power gets you 8, then 2 to what power gets you 1/8? Well, that would have to be -3. Okay. On the last set here, these are base 10, so you can do this one of two ways. Remember, these are common logs, so we assume base 10. So we can say 10 to what power gets you 1? Well, we know what power always gets you 1. That would be the 0 power, so we should know that this is 0. But let's check. Let's try, since it's base 10, we can use the log button on our calculator. So let's clear this out. Log of 1, and we get 0. Okay. So now, again, this is base 10. So 10 to what power gets you 100? That should be 2, because 10 times 10 is 100. Now let's verify it here. Log of 100, and we get 2. So you can do it on the calculator, or you can do it mentally. So if a log of 100 is 2, then log of 1 over 100 would have to equal, to get the 100 to go to the denominator, have to be -2. Okay? And we could try that. We can do log of 1 divided by 100, and you get -2. Okay? So that concludes the examples for this section.